This is an experiment to interface IR sensor with the Arduino UNO board. Then IR is nothing but the infrared proximity sensor, or it is also called as IR sensor. It is an electronic device. It emits infrared light to detect the motion of an object. So it is a passive sensor and it only measures the infrared radiation. So it looks like this. It has got 3 pins, VCC, ground and output pin. And it has got two LEDs. One is photon transmitter and or it is called as emitter. Another one is a receiver. So the black LED, it is IR receiver. It is called as IR receiver. And the white color LED, it is called as a IR emitter. Receiver and emitter. And it has got one comparator, that is op-amp as a comparator. And there is one pot here. It is called as a trim pot to adjust the distance. This trim pot is used. And there are two LEDs here. Two LEDs. One LED is called a signal LED and another one is a power LED. The VCC pin of IR LED is connected to 5 volts of Arduino UNO board, and the ground is connected to ground. And the out pin of IR LED, IR sensor, it is connected to any one of the pin of Arduino UNO. Here, I have used pin number 9. So the out pin is connected to pin number 9 of Arduino UNO, and ground is connected to ground pin of Arduino UNO, and VCC is connected to VCC pin of Arduino UNO. And here it is just shown this is an object. When the object comes near the IR sensor, it produces high signal. And for this, we have defined one variable and IR sensor pin, and it is connected to pin number 9 of Arduino UNO. And in order to initialize the serial communication for debugging purpose, the serial dot begin with baud rate of 9600. And the IR sensor pin is made as input pin with the help of pin mode command. And in the while loop, we are reading the IR sensor pin, which is connected to pin number 9 with the help of the command digital read. And this is stored in the variable sensor value. If the sensor value is high, we will print object detected in the serial monitor. Else, we will print no object is detected. So a small delay is given between these readings. So how the IR sensor works and what are the two main components of IR sensor? The IR sensor, it consists of two components. One is IR transmitter section and another one is IR receiver section. In transmitter section, IR LED is used. In the receiver section, photodiode is used. So IR LED transmits the IR light and the photodiode receives the IR signal and after that, we will get the output. And how it works? IR proximity sensor works by applying voltage to the onboard infrared light emitting diode, which in turn emits the infrared light. This light propagates through the air and it will go and hit the object. And so after that, the light gets reflected back in the photodiode sensor. And if the object is close, the reflected light will be very strong. If the object is far away, the reflected light will be weaker. So based on this, we will come to know that the object is detected or not. Okay, and it has got two onboard LEDs. One is power LED and another one is called a signal LED. The power LED turns on when the power is applied to the board, and the signal LED turns on whenever the circuit is triggered. So I have shown the comparator also. It is responsible for converting incoming analog signal from the photodiode to a digital signal. And we have got the pot also. So we can adjust the sensitivity of the device with the help of the pot. So after doing connection, it looks like this. So after typing the program, whatever I have explained now, so we have to select the board. And we have to select the port also. After selecting board and port, so select the board, click on Arduino AVR boards. In that, select Arduino UNO and go to tools, select the port. After selecting board and port, so you just click on upload program. This experiment we are interfacing IR sensor with the Arduino UNO board. The IR sensor has got 3 pins, VCC pin, ground pin and out pin. VCC pin of IR sensor is connected to VCC pin of Arduino UNO, that is 5 volts pin, and ground is connected to ground pin, and output pin of IR sensor is connected to pin number 9 of Arduino UNO. So in this there are two LEDs, one is IR LED, another one is photodiode. The photodiode acts as a emitter which will emit IR light. So when it will when the object is passed near this IR sensor, the IR light will go and hit that object and the reflected light will come back and it is collected by IR LED, and from this it is given to the microcontroller, that is Arduino UNO board, and from that it is processed, and whether the object is detected or not, that is displayed in a serial monitor. Now we will show you when object comes, the LED is turned on. When there is no object, LED is off. When there is no object in serial monitor, we are getting no object is detected, and when the object is detected in serial monitor, it is displayed as on. Now in serial monitor we are getting no object detected. So when object is passed near the IR sensor, in serial monitor we are getting object detected.